say bobo na me bobo be na shape no na after training no na support a village na no ma me week across the media me fanto so be no the following day na pania by the same supporter so by say me meji
Albert, on your first goal for Kotoko, was it a dream start for you? Send now person who started your Kotoko career, no? Was it how it went for you? And I said, we just want to know.
well make I say and one because getting your first goal as a striker in the first league match a mau encouragement be a mau confidence be going to the second game and the rest of the matches. So getting my first goal in the first league game, I'm very happy and I'm me like confidence we say I can do more.
Looking at the quality, teammates, send a mobile game, no. Ube reti team say one that has the potential to win the league, and I say you will just take it a game after game.
Well, looking at our team there, seriously, if you are standing at the back of the tenant and you are like watching us, you will see it's not like team Afianza. You know, see it's a team I here building. It's like a team who are like has been there for almost so many years. So we're looking at the quality that we have, no. Seriously, this league there.
Yeah, they are actually na yeshemo, but the course no more as more communicating on the field, no. Yeah, how difficult is it for you going to a league season now about first game as compared to other games, you know? How difficult is it?
Somehow, no, very difficult because I wish I start now going into the away game in your first game. Sounds so acquire new player, sounds like a game now. Sometimes they're very difficult, but for me, and how the players are ready. This like the energy I already work camp, how I encourage you and say win because throughout the weekend na positive say this match we are going to take the 3 points. So even though now it was difficult, but with our determination that we went there, like now we were ready to take the 3 points. So
what about Moankasa as a group, Wankasa personally, relationship with the coaching staff and the head coach, Senator?
Yeah, very good because all the technical team so when everybody will welcome you. When you see a calm, if you have any problem, you have to go to them. They will listen to you and solve the problem for you. So we are very good to work with, and my teammates too, like Ablo, yeah. No, you go training grounds. Because you say hey, I don't know why she go. Smart, because I don't know why she go. Kamara and Podi and Shobabo, I don't know why she go training grounds. Being such a team, no, very good.
Taking me through the game, pre-match preparation from the team hotel, you select more call in the bus to the game. At the end of the course, we will train
Well, now the course maybe the number the man means you have 3 points in a week because from 1 week before the game, the training, the tactics, and everything that na or training grounds, no, it shows how ready we are for the game. So me pressure will be new because we know like the kind of players we have and how we are going to play. So na me and Shada and me pressure be an so I think now I are ready for the game.
If I say we take you through Ugo with Michelle, was this something you planned and as it was instinctive as a striker? Say that moment I won't say first of all, born and now him say I share pause be by no. How was it like? Was it be rule out and I say
well scoring that goal no very special because a weaker foot and even and I make us say we have good coaches from the head to the goalkeeper's trainer. They will tell you how to kick the ball. Even in training grounds, one will stop you there. Albert, this ball you have to stand like this, you have to be like this and play it like this. So it has been, we have been doing it at the training ground. So when I got that moment that, oh, this is the situation, this is how I have to play the ball. So, and how I was expecting it, yes, I call it, pimpo na see nearby. But me, na me who say go, but and then me make us say go. The referees and the like. But
you know, I never was a crash.
yeah, but immediately I mean who, last man said, last man echo. Let me see, because me, na me say my go. I was trying to move, but referee boy said pay. Until now, me my hairstyle, but me who say last man, no say last man, who say yes, no correct, go.
Yeah, titi, yeah, players, yeah, almost see a camera kotoko, no more cry, I would say. So kotoko the old boy, more than I can, yeah, because of salary and I said, but Neoma be a winner and change early stages there, but meaning say be a not by chance, what experiences in summer. Ebima omababo echo ekano.
And there, no crap, even I think maybe through training grounds. The first day, second day, 1 week, I go 2 weeks in the about training grounds. I ain't in baby. This I say, bobo, na me bobo, be nice, your ponuna. After training, no, I support a virgin no mommy. Maybe across the media, me fan talk. Monsieur Binum. The following day, Saturday, na the following day, na and a pioneer by the same supporter. Sasu by as a member, me found to cook, na me find it, me found the more the year in the end, no credit. Yeah.
And now, if you first have about Nago, you should go your bad dressing room. Mikaya Captain Joe Rich, Michael Ose, Ember, Nana India, Ombaga Tim Warning, say, I say, so much we in Pelus. Place no, Yankasa, the challenge, in Pelus. It is going to be a first beer, you win, or say for win. And no man, my place in out to say. You know, I drink cocoa. You know, you go near target near echo. I was saying, now we. And perhaps so much need to say the anchor 90 minutes in India. That's not about combinato.
Alright, legends, sending more messages, goodwill messages. Video, no, mean say, or share and India there. What was the feeling like? Moment, you know. What things NBC send out fun.
A more encouragement. Encourage you, baby. Say you have to do more because I think you yeah, 25 minutes of the game against Karela. Then now blow baby on chain. Hey, you haven't scored. When she go, share time. I won't she go. Tia no beba twa adwen je won se hwe unkai de e ka kire o unkai de benefo no ka kire say this is the time you two have to make something nice also to also leave some legacy biwa team, so you have to score.
Saw some stories circulating online say now it was reported say a fan of the club will say player will be winning goal no. Oh no, I don't know if you chanced on that story. Yeah, and how did you see those? It was funny to me.
Well, even I think just before the game, now my teammate be no was sending me chat be hey, and I'm reading chat and I say boy. Then how? Where's who who is? That time na me call Facebook ni na imagine na be a WhatsApp quite na me call. No I screenshot ya then na be kire me say na we nti boy ye word o. Sa na o ka kire me ye word. The me read the ade ni we me man fa anya asem. But after the game, na the same boy no say congratulations. Da be na eba wedding.
It was quite funny. That's on the flip side. The day need the good in a separate here, the difference. But man of the match in the Akoma Kamara, a lot of people are praising him. What would be your word to 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 the entire team performance? What would be your word to the team and
Well, as for the team, there we are committed. Like, and everyone is performing well, from keeper to the attack. And the make a mistake on the field. No one will talk about it. They will just tell you, like, boy, next time, my uncle, and no crown, no amount, will say, you can do more.
okay.
Expect more from us because we are having the best team.
A lot of supporters in Kunya and training grounds. How would you describe scoring against two goalkeepers? Is it difficult scoring against them? Or training games, boy, Asare, Kamara, and then Fatal. How difficult it is?
Say we go training as one show. No car no one will say Charlie. Into me shame you. Over bought 1,000, 8,000. The years we are big. Everything you show one I catch you say Charlie boy share kai o ma show. Nti we show me one boy very difficult because my can see opo no. Baby am for born into. Nti even scoring against them in training grounds. Nti what Kamara did at Karela did there. Me now I wasn't all that shocked because the idea I want who that. Nti okay.
Amoah a big job because there are a lot to do. Just 1 out of 34 games, and we have a long way to go. We can in action, but I'm sure so you guys are keeping yourself fit for the next game. What would be your message to the fans? Now no decision to play well, but wherever what would be your message to the fans? Because any I Hindu am back say share into more expect so more your model park as well in the stance and so you will be responsibility. Ubeko by the same saying and I say they are son now.
And so me seniors no my catcher supporters and say they should come in their numbers and support because this is the time you're seeing you because you have started the season well and say omuba bedu park and so na say who omo say yes so e be enjoy more na like e be ji nyoma bebre e wo mu na eden we are expecting them next week to come in their numbers.
I bet we wish you the best and subsequent games you bet to us.
Okay.